also waiting
No.
for something for him.
I want something shiny.
This is my underwear. This is for you. Yung ano yan yung umiilaw, yung parang galaxy.
Can I see?
This is for Bella. Gusto mo sa'yo ito, no?
That's it.
What is this?
This is socks, Kurumi socks. This is for mommy.
Oh yeah, it's for mommy.
This is for daddy.
My bag! Baba!
This is for daddy.
Here we go.
This is for Bella.
Yeah.
Gusto mo sa ito na? Malaki?
And this is
Malaki? Sukatin mo nga.
Kaya mo.
and this is for mommy.
Masubat mo.
Meron akong binili pa sa kanya. Grabe na ito.
What is this? It's for Lala.
This is for ates. Kung kasha.
Eh, mom, bata yan eh.
Ay, pwede. Tignan, meron pa ako isang shirt kay daddy. This is for you.
Wow! What
This is
is...
for you.
Yay!
This is for you.
Wow!
Ano ba ito? Ano ba sa'yo?
Ano ba ito? Chargeable ba ito?
This is for you. This is for you. New shoes.
But I'm not in tight it.
No, daddy will help you. This is for you, for your table.
Oh.
This is one for you and for Bibay. This is
For me!
for you.
Mine na! What did you want?
Okay, Ate Ali. This is for Lola. And this is for the Lolas.
This is for Lola.
Ito. Try mo nga ito. And this is for the chopstick.
Wait!
No chopstick already?
Yeah! Wait!
Yeah, this one also. You don't want.
I like
This is for ate. Kung kasha ka ng ate.
Wow! I like it. Thank you, Mommy!
Welcome.
Mommy? I have so many Kurami!
This is for your birthday.
Yeah.
This is for chocolates.
Ooh.
This is for you. Tignan mo nga ito kung kasha sa'yo ako daddy. Kasi binalang ko siya ng isa eh.
Mommy! Mommy, I see Kurami!
Yeah, this is for Ate Ayen.
Dali mo. Doon na kay dali.
Alin? And this is for you.
Sabi mo na yun kung ano. Sa baba. Sa ibababa.
And this is for you, Kurumi. This is one for Bibay, Kurumi.
And this for
This is for
Aya.
Ate Aye. This one for Ate. This one for you, Kurumi again.
What is this? This is pen? Mommy?
Yeah.
It's so cold!
This is for you and for Bibay. This one for you is sticker.
Wow!
And this one is for you, Kurumi necklace.
Dad! Mommy, look!
Yeah, see, look at there in the ceiling.
Stars!
Eto, ewan ko kung kasya ko sa upuan. Mali naman yung nabili ko. So, for me,
Wow. What is this? For the hat? Like this?
so many bracelets.
Wow!
This is for you. This for
Wow.
Bibay, the other one. Diba? Which one you like? Ito na lang, tatlo. Ito, dalawa lang. Kay Bibay. This one also.
Nakatikit din yan. Yung yung magnet.
This one.
Mami, nakadikit yan yung magnet yan.
Hindi yan magnet.
Hindi yan.
This is for you.
Puro sa akin.
Ang na.
This is for Daddy.
Here daw.
Ang dami naman for you.
Pilihan mo na lang si daddy. This is for daddy. This is for daddy again.
It's a...
And for daddy again.
No!
And what size is this? Maybe this for Bibay. Para pareho kayo ni Bibay. This is for you. This is for you again. Huh?
Yan ang
Wait,
pala.
okay.
Why there's thing here? Just like this thing.
This is for Bella
Wow.
Yan ah, dahil mo ng damit.
Ang dami naman.
Oh, this is for you again.
Ah.
Ano ba yan?
Wala kang t-shirt eh. Mapalit mo na. Level to 12. For you.
Ay!
Ako na natin yung lumang damit mo dyan.
What? Ako?
Nakasagot lang yung mga lumang damit.
Cute.
Dahil mo ng damit, Bella. For you.
Sa akin?
Of course. Pag may brief, nakabukas si brief. Brief.
Nasaan yung ano?
This one for you. Look, you have shorts. Pretty. This for Nora. This for Daddy. This for Bella.
Ay.
This for Daddy. This for Bella.
Ano yun?
Again for Bella. So many. Okay.
It's
Bella.
Mommy,
And
thank you,
Bella.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Next check.
Here for Bella.
Wow.
For Bella.
What?
For your shoe. And to Rumi.
Mommy.
So many. Look, there's so many I have so many surprise for you.
Thank you,
You're
Mommy.
welcome.
Next challenge. Woo. Wow. Wow. Next challenge, my chopstick.
You're happy na?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Mommy, you can do it.
08.
I love you, Daddy. You see the lip?
Wait lang. Mamaya pa charge pa kasi lobat.
Okay. It's so many.
Bella mo, blue.
Ah, no, put it in my hand. Ouch, you.
1, 2, 3, surprise!
I don't know, close your eyes.
Meron ka pa ba dito na? Chocolate na ito.
Ate.
Tablet sa
This is for you. Towel, nakalimutan mo yan.
This is for
Ay,
Lola.
ito, ano to kasi JM? Makati. Makati. Makati.
Ano ba yan?
Makati. Ay, tabi mo nga muna dyan. Lalagay ko sa
It's
isang
for
towel.
Lola.
Ay, Makati din. This one for you.
Wow.
And for you and Daddy. Walnut, diba kumakain kayo niyan? Mga nuts?
Yummy.
Ito mga chocolate. This for Daddy. This for Daddy. This for Daddy.
Ano ba yan?
Ito pamigay. Lumang damit. What's this? Lumang damit. Lumang damit. For mommy. Wala naman yata dito na. Lumang damit. Lumang damit. You want kabuki?
Pangkape. Yan yan. Pangkape ko. For my coffee.
Ah, this for Bella. Her jacket. This also for,
Punda lang to?
for Bella jacket. This also for Bella jacket. So many jacket na ka.
Wala. No.
Damit ko to. Pamigay.
Mami, marunong ako magtanggal.
Ito muna yung chocolate.
Yan lang.
Mami, marunong ako magtanggal, oh. Sino si JP?
Sa speaker at saka ano. Speaker na binigay ni ano.
Iniwan ko kasi yung laki yun eh. Hindi yung speaker, di ba? Yung video okay.
What?
This for daddy. Oy, sa'yo yan! It's for you!
Tingnan natin, ayusin na itong tablet ko. Magamit ko.
This one.
May cover ba to?
I'm not gonna eat that. It's for daddy.
Mapasag din to.
This one for
Wow!
Huwag mo na ipagamit to.
We give the chocolate tomorrow. No?
Oh, yeah.
This one for you. Tomorrow also.
Yeah.
This one Lola.
What is this?
This for baby.
Kanino ba
And
to?
this one for daddy. His favorite.
Kanino to?
Doon nga yan sa pinadala lang yan.
Kanino nga?
Sa baby. Doon yan sa kapitbahay. Doon yan sa
Search
akin.
mo na to.
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko naman binaksan yun.
Yun lang.
Yeah, you have so many. Ano yun lang?
Your son?
No.
Search na
My,
to.
give me 15 dollars.
iPhone! For daddy.
Daddy, oh.
Ewan, something siya.
Look shiny.
Merong shiny.
Shiny ka pa dyan.
Mami, natanggal mo na yung password.
Password, nakapatay kasi yan. Nakapatay.
Baka lobat. Lobat?